What's going on? How's it going, guys? This is James Lister again. Hope you liked the last video, the review on the Idea USA V201 Bluetooth headphones. Hope you liked it. If you haven't watched it, click it, watch it. Good product, cheap price. But what's this video about? This video will basically, I'm going skiing. You're probably thinking, skiing? Why are you going skiing when it's cold outside? Don't you want to go to somewhere hot? Well, you would have thought so, wouldn't you? Well, I'm going skiing in the Italian Alps, and you're probably thinking, oh my god, there's just been avalanches on the Italian, Swedish and French Alps. Yes, but that was a few weeks ago. But I'm going skiing end of the week to basically, I think it's basically Sauze, which is in the Italian Alps. And this is just a video showing you the essentials of what you need to get to make sure that you're warm, you're prepared, and you don't go there thinking, oh, have I got everything? And I have skied before. I'm a snowboarder by choice, but girlfriend and her family are all skiers, so I went to Chill Factory in Manchester, did a day course to learn how to basically go down the hill, stop safely, turn. Just gotta get my technique a bit better, but I think the mountains are perfect. My girlfriend and her family are amazing skiers, so they can help me as well. But this is just basically showing you the essentials of what you need. So this is what I'm taking at the minute. Obviously, I am taking for my helmet the all-fit 4K camera that's going on the helmet, so you can have a POV. If you want to know what POV means, it's point of view. To using that, so you can basically see what's going on down the slopes as I go. Any falls, any laughter, see what it's like. Basically, in my conservatory, what you do definitely need if you're going on holiday, because you're not going to take flip-flops or loads of shoes. You need ski boots. Why ski boots, you ask? Well, because basically, when you're in the Alps and the mountains, you need grip. You can wear trainers, but which I'm going to take some trainers for if I'm going to bars or anything, but in the day, you need those. Why? Because it's slippy and it'll give you grip, basically. So I'm taking those with me. What else am I taking? Well, it's all upstairs. These are not mine, but sunglasses. Because when you're not skiing, you take your goggles off. It's sunny in Italy, obviously. You need to be able to see. And obviously, with that involved, you obviously need hats as well, you know. You need the hats. You're not always going to wear a helmet. So, what do you take? You need salopettes, which basically, one day, what are salopettes? They're basically ski trousers. You need those. That's basically, you may think, well, about your thermals. You don't need any thermals underneath. When you're up there, you're going to get very warm. You'd just wear your boxers, whatever you wear underneath, and you wear your ski pants. They're really good. Then also, you take a backpack. You think, why you take a backpack when you're up in the air? Because you need to carry things like water, spare gloves, because you're going to need some spare gloves. What about, because if you sort of spare gloves, what if one falls off? If you fall off, one falls off. You need to get another pair on, stick it on, boom, you sorted. You might need a map, so you put your map in there. You need your sunglasses, like I said, you put those in there. Why would you do that? Well, how are you supposed to carry them otherwise? Put them in your pocket, you fall off, you crush them, boom. So you wear your backpack and you're fine then, so it's sweet. Also, you will need your coat. These are great coats. Why do you need a coat for skiing? Well, you have a ski pass when you buy it. It's around €200, but with a ski pass, with these ones you get a little zip here. That's where you put your ski pass. So when you go onto the actual, the lifts, you just go, boom. You don't have to keep going, and all that stuff. It's better. It's on point, yo. Then obviously you got to get your goggles. You don't need the most amazing ones. You will need anti-fog. Why? Because if you get hot up there and you're foggy and you're on that slope, you don't have to take it off and wipe it over. You know, I will be taking some anti-fog cleaner for this, which I think is at my mum's house, so I'll have to get that, I think, or probably at my house here. And obviously, what else do you have? Your helmet. Some people will just get the normal hat and be fine, but more people nowadays, they have the helmet. They have a that's basically a Decathlon brand. You have that. You can tighten it there. I have a little clamp there for my GoPro Alfie camera, and obviously you have these little things here. That's you use those to put the straps of your mask through, basically. That's so then if it falls off, it doesn't fall off. You don't lose it. Then what else do you have? I've got a nice thing in here. I'm not taking this suitcase, too small. But what do you have in here? I have socks. You can basically use the same socks twice, I would say, but I've got 5 pairs or 4 pairs because I'm for 6 days, so we have washing facilities there, so we can wash them. They're great. They're good for in your ski boots and in your actual ski boots themselves. So I have that. Also have these. These are basically your neck scarves that go around there and over there. So and they're breathable. So and they're easy and they're quick dry basically. So if you have any so basically when you you can see there basically. They're excellent. You can also use them for motorbiking if you're into that stuff like I am. What else do you have? I went to Decathlon yesterday and I bought a load of these. These are basically they're not quick dry. These are cheap ones, but they can dry fairly quick. They are basically thermal tops. They're there to hug you, and the long sleeve ones. So basically, you're not too cold up in the Alps. And I've got 4 or 5 of those because you sweat, and they do help the perspiration. They are good. They are slightly breathable, but they're not the most breathable. You want really breathable ones. Pay more money. But I'm cheap because it costs a lot of money. I'm paying £1,000 for the holiday as it is. So why not just use this? Then obviously once you've been skiing, you need socks. So it's just general use socks really. Hats again, various few. And obviously the most important thing, your gloves. Gloves are basically very important. These are Ski Pro ones from Decathlon again. Decathlon is my closest ski place. Go Outdoors is okay, but Decathlon is more specialised in that stuff. Go Outdoors is more for walking and camping. This is for more extreme sports and stuff like that, Decathlon. Shout out to them for the great stuff they do. So you need 3 pairs, 2 pairs enough, but 3 pairs just from the safe side. So I have 3. I have 2 in here and 1 at my girlfriend's. But we haven't got them yet. You need all that stuff. Obviously, you need suntan lotion because you may think I'm covered up. Why I need that? The UVs when you take your goggles off, you take your helmet off when you're eating or whatever like that. How are you supposed to protect your face? So, suntan lotion for your face. Basically, obviously you get moisturiser after sun for that night, but it's basically just for the face here because you need it basically. What else do you need? Obviously you need skis and your boots and stuff like that, but you can buy them, but why would you spend 400, 500, maybe less? Could go up in price for skis and all that stuff, and you have to send them over there. We went to a place called Ski Set. We booked them with a discount code there, what we found. Cost us £55, something like that, so about 60 odd euros for the budget range of skis and shoes, basically the boots that you clip into them for the week. 55 quid, and it costs you 25 quid to get your stuff over there, and you've got to buy them. They maintain them, so you don't have to buy all the stuff to maintain them and keep them done. It's great. There's other things as well, obviously camera, headphones, all the other stuff like that. So basically, that's basically most what you need really. So to be honest, what else would I need? Obviously, you need your passport, but it's great. I can't wait. I'm gonna do a video of being there and everything like that. So if you like this video, click like, subscribe for plenty more videos, and thanks for watching. Bang, see you on the slopes.